Morning fam, what's poppin'? This is Aries Effect, and today I'm bringing you OUO.io. This is a website that allows you, this is the top 3 URL shortener over the world. Shorten URLs and earn big money. Get paid by every person who visits your URLs. So it is just that simple. You pop a URL here, it'll shorten it. When they click on that URL, it'll send you to a little overview, and I'll show you that in a minute. So technically what you're doing is you're shortening your link like you would with Bitly, right? This is also a tracker as well, but you get paid because you're using their shortener service. Very simple. There is a lady who was talking about using the shortener and then sending it over to Pinterest, and when they clicked on the link, they would go through the little page, and then they would click the next link and it would take them to whatever page it is that you're promoting, right? Okay, so it's 2 minutes to start. Sign up for an account in just 1 minute. Shorten URLs and sharing your links to everywhere, and you will be paid from any views. We are proud to have the highest rates in tier 2 and tier 3 country. Multiple views from same viewer are also counted. Contact us anytime about anything. We make customer service a priority. You will get response within 12 hours. More of the discovery, you don't pay any fees for this. 100% income paid by PayPal. I always try to find things that'll pay you through PayPal because I have a PayPal business, and it's that and Amazon gift cards. Like, you know what I mean? Because you can always use the gift card to go in and buy things at a discount, resale, you know what I mean, for Amazon, or have it sent back through your PayPal and just make a, circumventing cycle. So I'm going to show you, because I sent a friend of mine, shout out to I forgot her name, damn it. Anyway, I'll put her link in the description as well. She deals with live shoes as well. I forgot her name though, Po Baby, I'm sorry. Less ads but higher payout. We attaches great importance to user experience and keep quantity of ads units less. Moreover, 93% of income is spent to pay our users. And then on time PayPal, Payoneer, Payear, and Bitcoin payment. So there you go right there. Fast growing every day. These numbers, I guess, links clicked per day. I don't know how real these numbers are, but you can go ahead and go check it out yourself. Boost your earnings, sign up for free, and become one of the millions of people around the world who have fallen in love with OUO.io. Now, it's a bunch of websites like this too. It's a bunch of them. So when you go to certain crypto sites, they'll have it to where you will go in and you can do surveys, you can do ads, you can click on sites, it'll do this thing for a moment, and then when you go in, you'll receive cryptocurrency. Well, they got to get paid in ads for that. So you can also use this if you have one of those sites that's like a Bitcoin site where you go in and you do a few things and you receive a little shillings of Bitcoin or whatever token here and there or whatever. Dutchie's Auto Faucet, that is still popping and that is still going crazy today, so I would advise y'all check that out. I got a video that I'll put in the corner when I'm talking about this right now, because that's a dope website, and I still have my account there, and I have gotten referrals and people are still using that website to this day, so I'd advise y'all get in on that. So technically, just for this one, like I say, they go through all of these people that pay you out. You can go to the abuse, the CSAM policy, terms, support. I advise you come in. I always say do your own research before you coming in and doing this. But think about it, you're not paying anything to do this. This is free. So there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. And my statistics are 1 right there, but the links that I've created, I'm just showing you, is one for my YOY call share code. That's a website where you can go in and go make different designer clothes and stuff like that, and do drop shipping and stuff. And then we have the actual OUO referral link for you to come here and be able to do what I'm doing right here. So what I did is I took my referral link from here and I shortened it with this. So this is what you get. So we're going to copy this, then we're going to make sure we go right click, copy that link address just to make sure we see that. Then I'm going to go here and I'm going to log out because I need you to see what it does. So boom. So now that we're logged out, that link that I just did, this is that original link. this is what happens. You come here, it still shows you a little bit about it. It'll say, please click the button below to proceed to the destination page. You click here. I'm a human. The seconds will drop immediately, up to $15 for 10,000 views. Get the link, and boom, it brings you to my referral page. You see it says ref YNQ. That's my referral, right? So if I go back here and I go log in on this side, just to show you what I mean. When I go to my referrals, my original referral link, so we're gonna go here, YNQSVT7F. Then we go up here, YNQSVT7F. So that's how I know that that's my referral link, right? Another way to be able to keep up with the referrals or with people who's actually clicking the link and just doing exactly what I just showed you. Boom, you get 1,000 of people to do that to get to your link or get to your item or whatever it is. Then you just got paid through a company just for using their shortener. Then you attach the bit.ly link to it. That way you can keep track of where it's coming from. You know what I mean? Like it's that, you know what I mean? So I would do what I just did, and then I would attach that link to a bit.ly link. That way, even though it turns it to a bit.ly link, it'll still send you here. So let's go to bit.ly. I think I'm already logged in, I believe. Yep. So now if I go to my links, see, that's my Yo Call referral, and that's to the other site. So but I made it a bit.ly link, right? But this is the link up under it. So if I go right click, open that link in new referral, right? Destination is telling me OUO, but I want to see this link, so I'm going to continue to that destination through bit.ly. Boom. It's going to bring me right back to this, right? I'm a human. Get the link. Boom. And now it sends you to my referral page for, as you can see, the share code, because it's not this by itself. So that's my share code, or this is my referral code, right? So now you go to, as you can see, I'm logged in, but even if I log out, okay, it changed it. But you get the point I'm trying to make. Like, that's my referral link for that. So you do that on every link you got, and I would use bit.ly, and I would use websites like ouo.io, but obviously I'm showing you this one because it's one of the ones that I just found out about. But I used to use these back in the day. They had short.ly link shortener. They had Dutchy has one. Actually, he got a bunch of them. There's a bunch of websites that do this. Like, if you go to one of those websites where you gotta do ads and things like that, and there's so many dope connections on the back end of, like, Cointoply, an old website back in the Gap. Like, a lot of people were getting paid. I'm talking about, like, that website was going crazy. InstaGC, that was a website at one point. I think they still do like gambling and bets and stuff like that. But it's like a bunch of different websites, fam, that you can go to and just make a little money online. And a lot of people don't know about them because a lot of people ain't heard about them. There's so much static on internet. You know, you don't get to some of the little decent stuff. You take like 5 or 10 minutes out your day, boom, 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 get that out the way, and then you can move on to whatever your day is or whatever it is you're doing or whatever, right? There's a bunch of apps that are out, like, where you can buy other people's properties, like on your phone, and you get paid residuals over time for doing it. They got a app called Aircoins, where it's kind of like this was before Pokemon came out, I think before Pokemon Go, on the app where you could walk around and see go into VR mode and see Pokemon in real life or whatever. You know what I mean? It was around that time, a little bit before that time, but it's Aircoins. I think I got a link for that too. But yeah, that'll be about it for today. Just want to show you guys how to get down on this, and I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Peace.